Hello, we're here today at SLE Equipment to look at this custom 7x12 concession trailer. Now looking at this trailer, we can see it has a generator platform. On the front is a flat front trailer. We can see our coupler, safety chains, power cable for the trailer lights, as well as the trailer has a breakaway. We can see the breakaway battery box there. The trailer is plugged into power. It is black with black trim. This trailer does have a sink package installed, so we can see the city water fill box on the outside. Now looking at the wheel. Now we have this rubber fitting here that can be removed to grease the axles. It is a 6 lug, which indicates it's a 5,200 pound axle. It's a steel wheel, it's black. The rear of this trailer has barn style doors on it with a bar lock. Once that lever is released and the bar goes across, it'll allow the back end to open. This trailer has LED lights for the exterior lights and interior. You can see the concession window with flip up counter. You can see the 3 tracks here. One's for the screen, and both the glass panes is a vertical sliding window. So we can see it's in the up position at the moment. There are 2 latches to let the concession window down. And there's also 2 latches for the flip-up counter here. And we'll see. Now that we're inside the trailer, we can hear the ACs running. We can see the concession window, the outlet on the wall. Latch here, lift the window down, same for the other. And then it'll have this screen pane in between. See the barn style doors from the inside. Interior outlets. You can see the included power cable. We've got the 3-bay sink and hand washing sink. 3-bay sink does have drain boards. You can see the power panel and fuse panel. Underneath the sink base, we'll see the water heater, the 12-volt battery. We can see the switch for the water pump for the sinks. Now the entry door also has the safety chain. Make sure the door doesn't fly away. Inside of the trailer. If you have any additional questions on this trailer, feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720. We'd be happy to assist you. Thank you. Have a great day.